Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Mobility 316, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2021 Ram Promaster. This is a rear entry, manual ramp and door, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I just swing these doors open. This is a brand new conversion. Swing open these doors here. It's got these clamps, I just release them. Check it out, I can do it with just one finger on these clamps. They keep this ramp from rattling, and then I can deploy the ramp to the ground using, just pull it out here. I'd guess this weighs about a gallon of milk to lift up off the ground. Very easy to do. 32.5-inch wide ramp. It'll fit your bariatric wheelchairs. Coming inside the van, 70 inches of headroom. This is the tallest conversion that I've seen, or one of certainly. 73.5 inches inside. So someone over 6'1" can stand up straight in this van, no issues. Tons of room in this van. Got your 8 tie-down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here. Possibly a gurney or a stretcher. We can even add some more seats. So if you want us to put some flip down seats in this van to haul more people, let us know. Of course, that will be an additional cost, but we can do that for you. Got your spare tire right there. We've got rear air installed in here, so it does have the rear air shoulder straps for both if you do want to do two chairs. Our competition that sells these does not put the rear air inside of them. So one thing to keep in mind, those hot summer months or even this time in the winter, with us, your passengers can get some air in the back. So got your upgraded Q-strength tie downs. Dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash. Steering wheel controls to help you keep your eyes on the road. You got a backup camera, plenty of cup holders in here. The dash is in great shape. Get your rear air controls right there. So nice clean van. As I exit the van, once you get everybody secure, come back out, simply reverse the process. Our conversion has a 3-year 36,000 mile warranty on this particular conversion. Just lift her up, put it back in. Look how simple this is. A nice alternative to those really costly power ramps and lifts. The transits are nice, and we do carry the Ford Transit, but those lifts can go out sometimes, cause problems. Not the case. Just give the door a good slam and you're ready to roll. As I do a walk around of the van, got tinted windows in the rear, got the steel wheels. It's got light new tires on it. These are about 30 seconds, so tons of tread left on all 4 tires, and they're just a nice clean van. As I do a walk around, I'm looking for little dents or scratches in the van. I'm not going to sit here and tell you it's a perfect van. Just a little dirt, dust on it right there. But I'm looking hard. I'm trying to find any blemishes because I want to be honest and fair as I possibly can on the condition of the van. But it's very clean. I do see one tiny little door ding, little dent about the size. The camera probably won't even pick it up, about the size of my pinky fingernail. But so it does have normal wear on a 2021, but it's super clean. And no matter who you do business with, I want you to get a video of this VIN number. And you say, why would I do that? Well, I want to tell you a story. I hear this all the time. I had a guy call me the other day. He said that someone was selling a van of mine on Facebook Marketplace, and he was selling it for $8,200. And he had a great story about how he loved taking care of old people. He produced a fake title. With technology these days, you can produce a fake title pretty easily. And he was going to sell it to someone for $8,200. Guess what? That was a $45,000 van I was selling, but he was trying to scam someone. So had you asked him to get you a video of that VIN number sticker, he could not have produced it because he did not have the van there with him. So make sure you get a video of that VIN number. Don't get scammed. Okay, what we do with that VIN number, run a Carfax on every one of our vehicles. You can see just 2 owners, no accident or damage, has some service history records. As we scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and no total loss. So this is not one of those super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a clean title with no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never been deployed, odometers accurate, no accidents or damage, and no open recalls. And Carfax shows the vehicle went into service August 17th of 2021. So it meets the specs to be under the Chrysler Dodge powertrain warranty or the Ram powertrain warranty until August 17th, 2026, or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. And no matter who you do business with, find them online, look up their reputation and reviews. Find us on eBay. 1,467 transactions. We have 100% positive feedback. Every single transaction we've ever had has left us positive feedback. I would say that's a pretty good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them online. Find them on Google. Look up their reviews and ratings. Find us on Google. 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. You know, I talk to people all the time. They have a similar story as the one I just shared with you. They buy off Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace from a private individual they know nothing about. They end up buying a stolen vehicle that a fake title was produced, or a title where someone promised they'd get them a title later and they never can. You know you can't register a vehicle without a title. Or they end up getting scammed out of their life savings, buying a complete lemon. These scammers, they do this all day, every day. You better know what you're doing if you're buying from a private individual. Or they end up buying from one of these dealerships, you know, with a 1 and 2 and 3 star ratings. They didn't bother looking up the dealership before they purchased. They end up buying a van with flood damage, frame issues, mechanical problems, you name it. I've heard it all. So if you want to buy 1 and 2 and 3 star vans, you go ahead and shop with them. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for a dozen years, I look forward to speaking with you. Okay, back to the van. We do have the 2 keys and the 2 fobs, so you got your spare key there. As I enter the van, it's got the black vinyl seating, or kind of dark gray vinyl seating, and I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. Nice clean interior. Just give me a little different perspective here of the back. Just tons of room back here. If you got longer legs, look how much room is between there. You could just fully stretch out your legs there if you're 6 foot tall. So plenty of cup holders up front. When I go to turn the van on, fires right up. You can see 46,000. I think it said 226 miles on it. We got our backup camera here. Test the radio here. Radio works fine. You got your plug-ins for all your electronics up here. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. Oh, and by the way, the hood, it's a weird spot on these. I don't know why they got to put it in a weird spot, but it's over here. I'm going to pop that. We're going to look underneath there. But I got 3 mechanics that work for me. We tested all the power mirrors and windows, power locks. Oh, see that mirror moving there? I'm going to show you the mirror moving over here, up and down. Heat, air, belts, hoses, cruise, suspension, steering, brakes. Check tires, replace fluids as necessary. Taking it on a road test, check the frame. My point is, we go through a very thorough inspection before these vehicles hit our lot. We don't just run them through the car wash and slap them on the lot like a lot of people do. And I hope you can tell by my videos. We are very thorough in everything we do. Underneath the hood, we got the 3.6 V6 engine. It idles smoothly. No signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. It sounds great. What you can see, that's the rear air controls you see right there. So it looks a little different to you. But they crawl underneath the van, much of the same. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any leaks of any fluid or anything like that. No signs of any rust from being in a flood or being up north, you know, in the rust belt. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it looks good in pictures, or they assume because it's a fairly new vehicle, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's got a clean title, or never been in a bad accident, or never been in a flood. And again, that's the most dangerous thing you can do. So what I want you to do, whether you're buying from a private individual or a dealer, I want you to compare me to the competition. That's fine. Go to their website. Go check out their vehicles. I don't mind. Compare me. But what I want you to ask yourself, do they show you the reputation online so you know you're buying from somebody reputable on the other end of that phone, other end of that computer? Do they get you a Carfax report? So you know you're buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents, never been in a flood. Do they get on their hands and knees and even bother taking pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage, so you can see you're buying a vehicle that doesn't have a frame all bent up, doesn't show signs of water like it's been in a flood. So and do they offer free shipping? So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to how thorough they are, showing you exactly what you're getting, and when it comes to reputation, I beg you, compare me to the competition. You know what ends up happening if you end up buying a vehicle that you can't get a title for, or one that's got frame damage or from water or from an accident? It may not pass inspection in your state. If it won't pass inspection, you just bought a vehicle you can't even drive. So no matter who you buy from, do 4 things before you buy. Demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. If they're asking you to spend $40,000, $50,000, $60,000, tell them to get out there and put their heart and soul into it, like I do every single one of these videos. Second, demand a Carfax report. I know Carfaxes are expensive. They cost a little bit more. I spend thousands of dollars a month in Carfaxes, but I do that because I want to know what I'm buying, and more importantly, I want you to know what you're getting. third, we talked about this a little bit. Do your due diligence. Look up who you're buying from. Look up their reputation. Don't be a lazy buyer. Lazy buyers get scammed. I know you're a smart buyer. You're going to do your due diligence. Finally, demand a warranty. Like I mentioned, our van comes with a conversion warranty and comes with the remaining specs on the powertrain warranty. I normally show you the roof at this time. This thing's a little tall. I don't think I can get up there real well. But I'm going to get you a real good picture of it. I'm going to crawl up on an overpass and get you a good picture. So check out that roof so see it's nice and clean. So let's get her out for a road test so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video, I always like to get the vans out on a test drive, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this ProMaster home. We've done our due diligence, we've made sure that it's roadworthy, the steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise, got the cruise control set, cruise works good, going down the highway here, runs and drives darn near like a brand new van. And do keep in mind, it does meet the specs for the warranty, for the powertrain warranty still, and also the conversion, but we do offer long-term warranties that are bumper-to-bumper type warranties. They go anywhere from 90 days all the way out to 8 years and everywhere in between. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they'll show a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print is $500 administrative fee. They got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all their hidden fees, by the time you add up that shipping, that real nice price you saw online, well, it jumps $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about those hidden fees before you buy and the shipping, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try to make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but what I can speak for is the most important thing in any business, especially the used car business, is transparency. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today. So if someone's not being transparent from the get-go, there's a really good chance there's other things they're hiding. So be aware of that when you're out shopping. Give the van a nice hard brake here, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. And if you'd like to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Now, if texting is easier for you, or you just feel more comfortable texting, here's my cell phone, 316-518-4377. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. You now have my cell phone number. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Or do you get to call in, talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, and I'm sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and definitely want to avoid that super pushy used car salesman, then give me a call. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you I'm going to sell this Ram whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicles. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I also know it's a very big decision. It's a very important investment. I want to be as thorough as I possibly can. And speaking of, one thing I forgot to mention, these are a front wheel drive vehicle. The nice thing about that, especially if you live in the snow and ice areas, a lot of the transits are rear wheel drive. They will not move, you know, in snow and ice. Not very easy at all. So if your competition's sitting there stuck with their big vans and you're out cruising in town with your front wheel drive little Ram here, well, you're out there making money, you're out there taking business from them while they're home stuck doing nothing. So that front wheel drive is a nice option. And if you get a chance, give us a thumbs up on YouTube. That like, it'll help us out. Give us a follow if you want to be the first to see all of our upcoming videos. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough mobility dealership in the country. Check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thanks so much for checking out affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.